show them the close-up of our PowerPoint. Now I can just run over it.
Nothing gets in the way. But why we blade back is because of that. And that. This is a good example why we blade back afterwards, hey?
Yeah.
Because you can see how rough that is there.
They'd also run it twice, but it still doesn't come out as nice.
Yeah.
It's just much easier on you to follow with this. Plus, you're not wearing your box out because you're double running every single join. Usually, you have two people. If you have two people, it makes more sense. One of them just uses this and the other one just uses the box.
Yeah. Just look how much better it leaves it.
Let's see when it's done.
And it doesn't take that much longer. And you save the time on the scraping of the second coat.
Yeah, no sanding, like some of them sand every coat.
Yeah.
We scrape this coat just for the base, but after that there's no sanding, there's no scraping, just the last coat.
Yeah.
House, isn't it?
Yeah, it's different shape. I suppose it's made for their block.
Yeah, I just in a city area, so
Yeah, it's a good location. You guys should move down the south side. You guys are good guys. I would have thought you're from the south side. Most Northsiders, they're strange, but you guys are pretty normal, you know?
Oh, we can be pretty strange too, man.
Oh, lovely fit.
Oh, there's a buddy here onto the right. up.